Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two exciting mid-range smartphones, the Vivo T4 and the Moto Edge 60 Fusion. Both phones are aimed at users who want premium features without breaking the bank. But which one gives you more value? From design and performance to camera quality, battery life, and pricing, we'll break it all down in this 8-minute comparison. So, let's jump right in. Design and build. Let's start with the design. The Moto Edge 60 Fusion stands out with its sleek and lightweight design. It features a curved display, a matte finish or vegan leather back, and a very slim profile. It looks and feels like a premium flagship, even though it's priced much lower. The Vivo T4, on the other hand, takes a more minimal approach with a flat screen and a plastic frame. It's a bit thicker and heavier, but still feels solid and well-built. While it may not be as stylish as the Edge 60 Fusion, it's more practical for those who prefer a flat-screen experience and a classic grip. Both phones are expected to come with IP54 or higher ratings, which gives them a bit of water and dust resistance. Always a nice bonus in this price range. Display. Now let's talk displays. The Moto Edge 60 Fusion features a stunning 6.7-inch poled curved display with a 144Hz refresh rate and full HD Plus resolution. This screen is sharp, bright, and incredibly fluid, whether you're scrolling through apps or playing games. The Vivo T4 is expected to have a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is also great for the price. It's flat, which some people prefer, and it delivers good colors and brightness, though not quite as vivid or smooth as the 144Hz panel on the Fusion. In short, if the display is a top priority, especially for media or gaming, the Moto Edge 60 Fusion clearly takes the lead with its curved OLED and higher refresh rate. Performance. When it comes to performance, there's a noticeable gap. The Moto Edge 60 Fusion is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chipset, a strong mid-range processor built for gaming, multitasking, and smooth day-to-day performance. Meanwhile, the Vivo T4 is expected to use a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 or Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, depending on the region. These chips are capable of handling most apps and moderate gaming, but fall a bit short when it comes to heavy workloads or intensive games. For gamers, power users, or those who plan to keep their phone for a few years, the Edge 60 Fusion offers more headroom and better thermal efficiency. But for everyday users, the Vivo T4 still holds its own well. Camera. Let's move on to the cameras. The Moto Edge 60 Fusion features a 50MP main camera with OIS, optical image stabilization, paired with a 13MP ultra-wide lens. The photos it takes are sharp, vibrant, and well exposed, especially in daylight. The OIS helps in low-light shots and during video recording. The Vivo T4 also comes with a 50MP main camera, possibly with an AI lens or a depth sensor as a secondary unit. While it performs well in good lighting, the lack of OIS may hurt nighttime photography and video stability. Vivo's color tuning tends to make images look more saturated, which some users enjoy. On the front, both phones have 32MP selfie cameras, delivering sharp and detailed self-portraits. However, Moto's edge detection in portrait selfies tends to be more natural compared to Vivo's sometimes aggressive smoothing. Overall, if photography and video are important, the Moto Edge 60 Fusion provides a better, more consistent experience. Battery and charging. Battery life is pretty solid on both phones. The Moto Edge 60 Fusion houses a 4,400 mAh battery with 68W turbo power fast charging, which can take the phone from 0 to 50% in just around 15 to 20 minutes. The Vivo T4 comes with a slightly larger 5,000 mAh battery and supports around 44W to 66W fast charging, depending on the market. It takes a little longer to charge fully, but the bigger battery does offer a bit more screen-on time. In terms of raw endurance, Vivo wins slightly. But when it comes to faster charging and quicker top-ups, the Moto Edge 60 Fusion has the advantage. Software and experience. On the software front, the Moto Edge 60 Fusion runs on Android 14 with Motorola's MyUX, a clean, near-stock Android experience with a few useful gestures like chopping for flashlight and twisting for camera. It's bloat-free and smooth. The Vivo T4 uses Fun Touch OS based on Android 14, which has improved over time, but still includes more pre-installed apps and heavier UI customizations. It does offer more features, but the experience can feel less fluid compared to Motorola's lightweight skin. If you prefer a clean and snappy UI, Moto has the upper hand here. Price and value. Now let's talk price. The Vivo T4 is expected to be priced around 22,000 Indian rupees to 24,000 Indian rupees, or roughly $270 to $300, making it a very affordable mid-range option with decent specs across the board. The Moto Edge 60 Fusion comes in slightly higher at 26,000 Indian rupees to 28,000 Indian rupees, or $320 to $350. But for that extra cost, you get better design, smoother display, stronger performance, faster charging, and a more refined camera setup. So is the price difference worth it? If you're just looking for a budget-friendly phone for social media, calls, light gaming, and content, the Vivo T4 gets the job done well. But if you want a more polished and future-proof experience, the Moto Edge 60 Fusion offers fantastic value for a slightly higher price. To wrap it up, the Vivo T4 is a solid budget performer with great battery life and decent performance. But the Moto Edge 60 Fusion brings more to the table in terms of premium design, better display, stronger hardware, and cleaner software. It's a better all-rounder, especially if you're willing to spend a little more. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed tech comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.